Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to the Cup Noodle Museum. I have someone with me. Okay, so this is my friend Vanessa. She is from, I always forget, what's the name of
The prefecture?
yeah,
Kagawa Prefecture.
Kagawa?
Yeah.
Oh, I know Kagawa. I did a lesson with this. It's the smallest prefecture in Japan.
Yes.
Oh, I remember it now. Yeah, so she lives, come a little closer. Yeah. So she lives in an area where she has to take a ferry to go to the main land. So yeah, that's very cool. But anyways, we are going to Cup Noodle Museum, so continue watching. The sun is so hot that we decided to stop at this ice cream shop. So we're gonna get some ice cream before we go to the Cup Noodle Museum. I ordered chocolate and vanilla, but it's, as you can see, it's melting. And Vanessa got strawberry something.
Hello, three adults.
Yes.
Do you have any reservation today?
No, we don't.
Okay, we have one. You can just go inside.
Guys, we're finally here. Come near the museum. Look at this kid. 1994, the year I was born. 1958. And they have two different years for each year. There are different levels. So the level that you saw with the different cup noodles, that was the second floor. So we're now going on the third floor. On the third floor, you purchase the cup noodle cup for 300 yen, and you have the option of decorating that cup. So this is what I did. So when you come here, you can actually take a class where you make your own noodles. Right now we are in the line. We are going to add the noodle and whatever other topping that we need. It's gonna add it to in the line.
きれいに麺が入りました。ぜひどうぞ。このように麺にカップをかぶせて発生することを逆転の発想といいますが、次はこっちにカップしていただいて、安全を待ちくだ
I don't know what the other stuff are. Cheese and put cheese on my noodles. No, I don't eat shrimp. Crab. Egg. Oh, that's lollipop. Yeah. I got to the banana. And they're feeding it right there. This, and then they're going to wrap it in plastic. the string 4. Alright guys, in the Cup Noodle Museum. This is the 5th floor. So on the 5th floor there is a balcony area that you can come to take pictures, and there's also like a park area, Cup Noodle Park. But I don't think we're gonna go check that part out because more than likely it's gonna be in Japanese, like whatever they're saying, so it wouldn't make any sense for us to go. But yeah, just enjoy this beautiful view of the city. So we just left Cup Noodle Museum. Behind me is Cosmo World. But anyways, I'm going to work and Vanessa will be going home. It is a new day. Today we're at Chinatown. Look at that building up there. It's a hotel, Rose Hotel. All along I thought that this park was called Yashita Park, but actually the sign said Yashita Park is that way and not this part. So I'm not sure what the name of this park. I think it's Yokohama Park. Not sure, but yeah, I'm not going to Yashita Park. The place is too humid for me to walk in it further. But yeah, so I'm gonna just walk around. We are just gonna walk around this park because it's in here. It's a little cooler than outside, and there are lots of trees, so it looks really nice and peaceful. So well, Vanessa is taking pictures, so I'm just walking. I'm going to rest my feet somewhere that has shade, a little shade. Over there is the Yokohama Stadium, right where you see the blue and white. Let me try and zoom in. Blue and white building, that's Yokohama Station. And I'm in Yokohama Park, I think. We are going to head back to Chinatown to find somewhere that we can eat. Yeah, so, and then I have to go to work. So I'm leaving Vanessa again. Yeah, so last day. Oh yeah, last day of work for now until the end of August, and I have to go back to work. But yeah, I'm excited. Tomorrow we are going to Asakusa, which is somewhere in Tokyo. It's like a famous tourist spot in Tokyo, so I'm taking Vanessa there so that she can see Tokyo Skytree. I have never been inside the building, but I've seen it when I went to Sensoji Temple last year when I just came to Japan. So we're going there tomorrow. Yeah, so make sure you watch that video that I'll be uploading pretty soon when I record it. This is called Peking duck. I'm gonna be trying duck for the first time. this is the restaurant that we had lunch. The food was so good. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, bye.